Hi friends, this is our next product and uh yeah, Naruto Itachi story. So Naruto maybe like ज़्यादा उधर तक गया नहीं. So let me just open it up. Itachi. Okay, so that's how it looks and चीज़ों को साइड कर लेते हैं. This is Itachi. Author Mahishi Kuzume was born in rural Kiyama, Prefecture, Japan. Like many kids, he was first invited to become a manga artist in elementary school. When he read Dragon Ball, after spending time in Army, won the Hopstar Award for the new manga artist story, considering his next project. In traditional Japan culture, his first version Naruto drawn in 90s was the first one short story about fox spirit. His final version, which debuted in Weekly Shonen, quickly became the most popular ninja manga in the world. The series also outspawned multiple having a series in the late 2014. Okay. So that we get to know, and this is uska, I think this is like a spin-off kind of a thing. So yeah, I think I don't know, they don't have a series in that. And the Great Ninja War isn't it, but I don't know they have a series in some way to numberize. But let's start with this. This is how it looks from back. It says $10.99, but उतने का नहीं है, 500 रुपये में आपको सारे मिल जाएंगे. So this is Sasuke story. I think this is start with this. Oh god, this is not a manga, this is just a text. So these are the things आप मेरा चैनल इसलिए देख सकते हैं क्योंकि आई लेट यू नो कि अगर वो है तो रेवोल्यूशनरी सिस्टम टू गेट 1% better every day. People think you're change of the life. Expert James clearly discovered in the groundbreaking book. Clearly ठीक है, but why does it matter in this? And Phoenix is being, I think this is fully text for some reason. I expecting this is about manga, it should be not text. This is the third Kakashi story. Lightning in the frozen sky for Kage mission having losses. Yeah, this is important, like you should learn. And Kakashi ka story bahut sad hai. He had like all the bad thing happening for him and he still does not become Itachi. So yeah, doesn't have any. Shikamaru, nice, just a one image and it's all fully text. Cloud drifting in the silent Shikamaru, and then Sakura. I was hoping if Neji का story भी रहेगा तो better रहता. And Pushy Bro. So love riding the spring freeze. So this is Sakura. This is Itachi's story again, but I don't know what was the difference between that. Printing का बहुत लोचा है इसमें, बहुत कट रहा है. So yeah, all 5 of this. Sakura stories, Kakashi stories, Itachi stories. Link in the description for all of them. Bye bye. Thank you.